Are you uncertain whether you have chosen the proper keywords after spending hours researching them? Are you having trouble making your website appear on Google and YouTube's first pages? It is not just you alone, because many marketers encounter similar difficulties. If I could tell you that, I have a breakthrough solution that will help you the way you imagine. That is where Serpsling shows up, because it streamlines the entire low-competition keyword discovery, targeting, and ranking process. However, before I get into the details, I want to offer a crucial message. The product is not on many well-known internet marketplaces like eBay. To ensure everyone has access to this groundbreaking tool, I have included the official website link in the video description and also placed it on the top comment. So, what exactly is this product that contains the key to unlocking your ideal situation? Serpsling is an effective online tool for researching keywords designed to increase the visibility and rankings of your website without requiring you to create several social media accounts or manage complicated software. Serpsling is not just an add-on, it is your hidden weapon in the very competitive world of search engine rankings. This amazing tool provides you with all the information you need to make good choices and rule the search engines. It has a package, so you can select the package that best suits your needs, and the package is a one-time payment, unlike the other tools that are costly, and they don't necessarily produce the best results, and frequently require a monthly subscription. It might be challenging for small businesses, and even so, you may not always be certain that you are obtaining the appropriate keywords. So let's explore the benefits together and determine how they can improve the performance of your website. It helps locate high-traffic, low-competition keywords that make it simpler to be seen on Google and YouTube. Serpsling Agency ensures that your message reaches its target audience by carefully crafting your content to rise in the search engine results pages. Serpsling helps users remain ahead of the competition by peeking at their backlinks, keywords, and other information and many more. So who is it for? Serpsling Agency is appropriate for online marketers, local marketers, affiliate marketers, SEO marketers, and agency owners, and is also for anyone who wants to raise their page 1 rank and increase Google and YouTube traffic. I know what you are wondering, are there any included tutorial videos? Yes, they give you access to all the instructional videos you need to quickly become proficient with all of our app's features, and also excellent customer service is offered by Serpsling to ensure you get the most out of the platform. The support is there to help you with any technical problems or suggestions for improving your campaigns. If you want to know more information about this software and its features, I have placed the link to the official website in the video description and also pinned it in the top comment so you can go there and check it out. Here is the best part. They offer you a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you are not getting the results you want, you can head over to the official website and ask for a refund, no question asked, just like that money-back guarantee, so there is no risk of trying. In conclusion, Serpsling Agency is revolutionary for anyone trying to boost their SEO and increase website traffic. Its 3-in-1 solution distinguishes it from other tools by combining keyword research, analysis, and ranking characteristics. The competitor analysis and keyword difficulty scoring offer insightful information for improving SEO tactics. So if you are ready to take your SEO game to the next level, give Serpsling Agency a try, because it is the secret to opening up a world of possibilities. Use SEO to your advantage and change the course of digital marketing. That is all I have for you guys. If you purchase the product from the link in my video description, I will send you a free bonus. In order to get the bonus, you can message me on my Instagram ID, and I will send it to you. Thanks for tuning in, folks. I hope my review was helpful to you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and comment down below if you have any questions. I will see you in my next video. Have a good day.